It's on. Hello, welcome. Happy Juice Year.
Hey, Merry Juice Miss.
Merry Juice Miss.
Miss.
We're here to juice it up for the holiday season and get rid of that hangover. If you have a little too much holiday cheer, I'm Steve Prussack, and author of the Amazon bestseller Juice Guru. This is getting my mouth, Julie. #1 Amazon bestseller, Juice Guru, transform your life, adding one Christmas juice a day.
That's right.
And one complete idiot's guide to juice fasting, both available on Amazon, and we are available for you right here and now.
Okay, let's get started. We're going to show you an amazing juice that's going to bust any holiday hangover. And I'm going to turn it to Steve. Steve, you want to turn it so I don't mess this up?
Yeah, let's do it. We're going to turn it all around, but it's going to be facing the lights,
okay,
babe. It's going to be facing the lights.
I will turn it around.
All right, let's just turn on.
All right.
Are we around?
We did it!
Okay, now you can see it forward. Okay. Remember to use the up and down joystick, Julie.
Yes, okay. What are we juicing today, Steve?
Well, let's first of all turn down the music.
All right. I'm going to tell you what we're going to juice. We're going to juice all of this amazing produce you see before you today. And what kind of juice are we making, Steve, and why?
This is Hangover Helper for the holiday seasons to keep your body working and healthy. If you have a little too much holiday cheer at the office Christmas party, right? Let's get my mouth through there. This is going to be the cure for that, because this is going to be hydrating. We've got coconut water. It's got electrolytes in there. The pineapple, the grapes. This is going to be, it's going to help your body flush out all that bad stuff that we put in our body over the holidays and get ourselves juicing and clean, because the best health for you, no matter what you're eating, and we love eating vegan food, that's what we eat. But we also like to get our fresh fruits and veggies in our bodies so we can keep our bodies energized and working throughout the year. Okay. How about you? You guys juicing at home?
Yep, I see some lights. Let us know. You juicing at home? And what do you got there, Steve? That looks like an implement that does not belong in your kitchen. Tell me all about it.
This is called the Cocoa Jack. I love my Cocoa Jack. Mm-hmm. I go cuckoo for Cocoa Jack, Julie. We're going cuckoo for Cocoa Jack here in the Juice Guru kitchen because, and by the way, hello, Jane Velez Mitchell. We're on Jane Unchained. I don't think we mentioned it at the top of the show.
No, Lunch Break Live. And this is our Juice Break Live.
Julie, this is our last show of the year.
That's right.
This is our last show of the year, so Happy New Year, too. Happy Juice Year. Mm-hmm. The Cocoa Jack. I use this to open my young coconuts. Have anyone ever seen these before? Check it out. It makes it so easy that even a kid can do it.
And why? So let's talk about why we want to get, so today's juice is featuring, as you can see, the grapes, the pineapple, the ginger, and the young coconut water. And the point of it is to get rid of that horrible hangover. And why do we love the coconut water so much, Steve? What's so great about the coconut water?
Well, I was saying before, that's really hydrating.
That's right.
It's got the electrolytes in there, and it's going to help to flush out those toxins after a hard night of holiday cheer. So that's why we're calling this the Holiday Hangover Helper.
That's right. And Judith says, I like that kitchen, nice and roomy. Hello from Palm Beach. So happy Juice New Year to
Happy
you
Juice New Year. We're here in Redondo Beach, California.
That's right.
Really close to Jane Velez Mitchell. We're right down the street.
That's right. And now what are we doing, Steve? So this is like the sort of the main feature of our juice, right? This is where we're going to get the most of our juice.
There's more than one way to skin a pineapple, and I'm going to show you right now how to do that, okay?
That's right.
There's more than one way to do it, though.
So we started by taking the top off and the bottom off.
Well, I'll tell you a secret, guys. I like to use organic produce whenever we could, but we couldn't get an organic pineapple. Couldn't find one. But this is on the Clean 15 list, so I'm okay to juice this. It doesn't have as many pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides in this holiday pineapple. Everything's a holiday. This is a holiday pineapple right here.
Mm-hmm. Kamal says salam.
Hello, I've got the ceramic knife. Love to use the ceramic knife, and if you don't know why, it's because it's not going to oxidize our produce. It's not the metals, the heavy metals, the metal from our knife isn't going to get in there. Right, Julie? That's the main idea.
Let's get in there and take a look and see what we're doing.
Look at this. Look at how I cut it.
One great thing about a pineapple is it has a lot of the good kind of sugar. And when we're talking about a hangover buster, one of the bad things about alcohol is that it will wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. This is going to help to even them back out and get you feeling fine, right, Steve?
She is right. You know, there's a reason that she's the beauty and the brains. We call her beauty and the brains. So it's also got lots of enzymes in there. You know, you can get those antacids that are actually have the bromine from the pineapple. We like to get it right from the source, the enzyme-rich pineapple. So we're going to get it through a cold press juicer. I've got my Slow Star here, which I love. And this juice is just so easy to clean, and it rotates really slow, 47 RPMs a minute. It's so quiet, a baby can sleep in the next room, so it's not like a loud, crazy juicer. And so let's get right to it. I'm going to cut up. So the recipe. Did we share the proportions?
We did not. Let's talk about that. Okay, so we've got, of course, Steve is cutting up that pineapple. You're going to do
How's that look? Does that look juicy to you?
It's beautiful.
Look
Looks
at
like
it.
a sunburst.
Oh, it smells so good. I can almost taste it when I smell it. That makes Santa Claus hungry. I don't want cookies this year. I'm going to want pineapple hangover juice.
So your juice, this is going to get you a lot of juice because you know pineapple is full of hydration. Another really great reason why we have it in our hangover cure. So you're going to do one full pineapple.
One full pineapple,
Okay.
just like that. Medium size is best.
Then we've got about 4 cups of red grapes. Now, of course, this time of year, red is a very festive color, right? Then, of course, that's going to help us with so many things. We know red grapes are so great for us, and they're going to help with the inflammation that is caused by your alcohol. Talking about inflammation, we've got, what do we have here as the biggest
Thank you for
inflammation
using,
buster?
another thing to lower inflammation. We've got our ginger root here. I like to put in about 1 inch of that ginger root into this juice. It smells really good too. And a lot of people, Julie, I know you didn't like ginger at the beginning, but don't you really develop a taste for it when you get into juicing?
Well, I love ginger with things like in our fruit juices. And the reason why is it gives a little bit of spicy tartness to it. So it's not overpoweringly sweet. So this is going to be it's going to taste like a lemon drop candy when we're all done with this. But of
Kind of
course,
does.
yeah, but except when we're going to be adding, and the final ingredient is all of the water inside of a young coconut, full of electrolytes, like Steve was saying before, very hydrating, and also is going to be, it is delicious.
Well, it becomes like a tropical delight. And this time of the year when it could be a little cold, depending where you are, this takes us away to a remote island. So it's also this juice. It's like our little vacation in a jar, isn't it?
That's right. And if you don't have, well, let's get that out from the side. I'm just going to put this into the screenshot. If you don't have one of those great Cocoa Jacks or a great way to open up your coconut, you can also we use Harmless Harvest. You can use a raw coconut water. Make sure it's a raw coconut water, which is something that would be refrigerated like this one.
Now, we weren't talking about it, but when I was peeling the ginger, it's super easy to do with a spoon. You know, that's the best way to get the skin off there. You can also slice it real thin, but you tend to lose a little more ginger that way. Who's ready to get juice? First one to type in the box, let me know right now, and I'll turn it on. If nobody wants us to juice, we won't. I'm waiting.
Let us know. Let us know.
I'm
Anybody
waiting.
want us to turn it on and start juicing?
Who wants a holiday hangover juice? You're going to juice it up with us.
It looks really delicious to me.
Any comments, Julie?
Yeah, I see a green bar over the top. I just want to make sure we're on. It keeps saying connection available and then live connection. So I'm hoping that this is all working and we've got a great connection.
Anybody typing in the box? Have you seen any comments coming in?
I did, but now I haven't for a little while. Anybody want to just either give it a like or type in the box and let us know that we actually are live and that we're having that live connection with you?
Hoping we didn't lose our connection because I'm really so excited for this holiday juice. Are we still with
Yeah,
you?
I got somebody. Oh, Diane. Hi, Diane. Looks fine.
Diane, what's up?
All right. Okay, so Diane, you ready for us to juice? Let's get started. Let's turn on that
Diane's
juicer.
ready? So if Diane's ready, then I'm ready, and I'm going to turn it on right now.
Yeah, and another great thing about the Slow Star is it's very versatile. And you're going to see that it's going to juice up these soft veggies and the ginger and everything else that goes in. It can juice greens really well. It's extremely versatile. Jennifer says hi. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Jennifer.
Let's see.
You know, I love green juices. You know, I love green juices, but when it comes to hangovers and getting rid of the hangover, the fruit juice is a great way to go.
That's right. So remember, today is all about, if you're just joining us, today is all about your hangover cure for the holidays. We've got Juice the Claus, Steve Prussack.
Juice the Claus and Mrs. Claus, Julie Prussack, who is playing the role of Mrs. Claus today, or one of my friendly neighborhood elves.
That's right. I'm not sure which yet. So what is that? That's the ginger?
Yeah, it's the ginger. Look, I'm going to cut it up, and I want you to see how moist it is. When you're over at the supermarket getting your ginger, just make sure you take a peek that it's fresh like this. Sometimes I see them and they're black and they're kind of spoiled. Just make sure it's a fresh, good ginger like this, enzyme rich. Into our body we go.
Not dry, just nice and moist.
Right, Julie?
And look what we've got. We've got all the pulp coming out one end of our juicer, and that's gonna make way for all of that.
Let me give you a little tip too.
Right in.
And when you can actually put the stems and all of your grapes right in the juicer. There's actually some nutrients right in those stems, so I'm going to be okay with that. That's not something our body would normally break down, but right here, let's do it.
And that's one great thing about juicing. Normally you can juice every single part of your fruits and veggies. Nothing goes to waste, and everything has its own nutritional value.
You know, I know you want to make the smoothie. We love our smoothies too. Green smoothies are great. But when it comes to really getting a nutrition blast, there's nothing like a cold pressed fresh juice. It's just better than a smoothie. It's proven 2 times more nutritious. 2 times more nutritious. You can just get more in here. We're eliminating the mastication in our mouth and the digestion in our body, and we're just getting the goodness into our body on an empty stomach. I haven't had anything to eat today, Julie, and I'm so ready.
I know. Look at all the energy you have. And usually that energy comes from our green juice first thing in the morning. But today, it's a fruit juice.
This is going to be my meal. You know, I'm breaking my fast with this. We have beautiful grapes today, right? Really gorgeous grapes today. Yeah. Oh, you did great with that, Julie.
Very nice and ripe, and they are ready
Julie,
to go.
you did a wonderful job there, and I have to commend you for that. I'm going to go ahead and commend Julie, and if you want to join me and commend her, you can too.
All right.
So now what I'm going to do is turn the juicer off, and I'm going to have, Julie, do you want to do the final thing, or you want me to do the final mix of the coconut into the...
Why don't you do that, and I'll go ahead and strain the juice. Why don't you just go ahead and put it in. We've got our big giant measuring cup that we like to use for mixing our juice.
Well, I don't think there's anything to strain. We don't have to strain. I don't think there's...
okay.
No, I think it's all good today. So
fantastic.
let me show you what we've got here. So we've got the electrolyte hydrating coconut water, young coconut water. I'm going to put it in there. And we've got about 2 cups of that in there. And then I'm going to fill another 2 cups of our wonderful juice potion. Oh, actually, you know what I would like to do, and I'm sorry, I forgot this. We want to actually give it a little mix. Okay, we want to get all that good stuff together and make sure that our flavors combine to create a potion that will really help us with that holiday hangover, right, Julie?
That's right. That's right.
Okay, watch this. I'm going to show you how I do it.
Wait. Oh, 1 second. There we go.
You like the way that looks?
That looks beautiful. Beautiful.
And it's funny, it doesn't have that red color for the holiday cheer, but it's going to help with that hangover. This is better than what you're going to get over at the pharmacy. This is what your body really needs.
Still really beautiful to put on your holiday table. It's going to help all of your friends, your family with their hangovers if they should indulge a little too much during the holiday. And certainly is going to help you with yours. So I got
That's right, Julie. And
2 beautiful cups there.
Why not make it look beautiful? Have a look here, right?
Right.
You guys, and then once it's in here, we do want to stir it again because we want that coconut water to combine beautifully with it too. We want all our flavors to combine beautifully.
And look how easy it is. There's so few ingredients on a juice like this, and it is so very powerful. So if you're feeling like, oh, I'm tired, oh, I'm headachy, this is something you can whip up so easily. It took very little prep and very little time to go ahead and do that.
True. And this is easy to clean, about 5 to 10 minutes. So on New Year's Eve, if we're like, oh man, I don't want to make a juice, I'm so tired and I don't know if I want to do this. Easy to clean, easy to juice, and it's actually fun, right, Julie? We love juicing.
I love juicing.
Let me show you.
And it feels so good, oh so good going into your
How does that look on your end? Can you guys almost smell it and taste it? I can't wait to get Julie back here to try it.
That's right. So you just get yourself a beautiful set of cups. You get yourself the Dharma glass straws. and you are set for your holiday table and your hangover cure.
I'm going to just test it and see. I'll test it before I give it to Julie.
Please, I would like you to test it because God, I don't know.
How's that? Is that a meme right here?
Oh, there you go. Santa drinking his juice. We knew, I suspected Santa drank his juice, because how else does he deliver presents to everyone all over the world?
Well, Mrs. Claus, I'll tell you, this right here, with this right here, into here right here, is the way to go this holiday season. No matter where in the world you are, this is the way to go. Let's get Julie back here to do a taste test with me, and then we'll close out.
All right, Steve, I'm going to bring it around, get a real close-up on you here, and then I will and join you. Do you have a juice for me?
Hey everyone, there we go. Here we go.
Okay, there we go.
All right, you guys ready to drink this with us? We're going to tell you how it tastes. Well, let me check with my beautiful wife and see.
Oh my gosh, when you talk about tropical, this is a tropical juice from heaven, and you can feel it hydrating your body just from the very first sip. Getting rid of all that inflammation in your body. Really, just leveling out all of your organs, just really, really nutritious burst of deliciousness.
Well, before we close out, we just want to say thank you. We want to thank Jane for letting us be on her network, and thank you and wish you the best holiday season. Wish you all the best in the new year. We won't be with you for New Year's, but go ahead and make a juice on New Year's. This is really, no matter what your diet is, you need to get more juice in your body. We need more fruits and veggies, and this is the way to do it. That's why we're all about the juicing, and we're sending much love to you. Thank you guys for being here.
Thank you.
We'll see you next year, right?
See you next year.
See you next year. Bye.